Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing with Scott, the wet Scott. Don't mind me, just a quick backstory. I reviewed a submergible water pump and it was more powerful than I ever could have imagined, and water shot straight up from the pump on me. Surprisingly, I wasn't prepared for that, so that's why I'm a little wet. So guys, for today's video, we're checking out this sweet basketball game, and I'm so excited because I love stuff like this. I am a little kid at heart, so stuff like this makes me super excited, guys. So guys, this is much cooler than I thought. I'm so happy I got this. So they do give you AAA batteries, which is another plus. So far, it's bigger in scale than I thought. So guys, you get 3 basketballs, you get a remote as well, the hoop and everything. All right, check it out, guys. So it's actually really nice looking. All right, guys, so we put the black on top now. So it seems to be working just the same, but since it said to do the black, we went ahead and did the black. All right, now on to the next step. All right, guys, on the back, you poke a hole in the clear tape or plastic that is surrounding, and you slide this from the back. So you just slide this in directly. All right, guys, so you can then put, it shows screws right through here into the back piece here. To hold that in place. All right, guys, then you take these foam pieces, you peel off the top layer that's protecting the sticky part, and you just align it straight up like this. All right, guys, so we got it set up on our door. So let's go ahead and test this out. Yeah! 3 for 3. Now the one didn't register, so it didn't register that one shot that we made. So let's just keep trying. We did 3 for 3. So that one didn't register as well. So we're now 6 for 6, but that didn't register. It only shows 4. All right, 5. Six. All right, so now I'm getting worse here. I gotta focus. So the final verdict is most of the time it registers. So it kind of looks like, okay, so it kind of looks like you need to wait to shoot and score until the clapping goes away. So if you try and do it too soon, it doesn't register. So that's the problem. So if you try and like shoot it right in right away and shoot it right in right away, it doesn't register. So just wait until like the sound goes away. So you shoot. Okay, now you wait. Shoot. Now you wait.